Hi friends, welcome to Happy Artsy Kids. Today we are going to draw a mother bear and a baby bear. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's draw a big circle here for the head. Like that. And then let's draw a triangle here for the nose. Down and then up. And color. And then a line going down and curve line like that. And then now let's draw oval shape around the nose like that. Like that. And then let's draw two eyes here. Oval shape, oval shape. That. And another one here. Line, curve line, and color. Alright. Now let's draw curve line like that, like half a circle. Like that, and then a smaller one here, and another one here. Like that, and a smaller one there. Alright, now let's draw the arm. It's like letter U like that. Like that. Then let's draw two lines here, 1 and 2. Alright, now let's draw the foot here, a big circle here. Like that. And the paw, 1 circle, 2 circles, and 3 circles, and a big one. Like that. Awesome. Now let's draw the back of the bear, the body. Just curve line like that, going down and touch the circle. From here, going down and touch that. Alright, and now let's draw a line here for the like that. Great. Now let's draw the baby bear, the cup here, just a curved line like that, curved line, and curved line like that, and then the nose here, triangle, small triangle, and the oval around the nose like that. Stop. Let's draw the other eye here, just half like that, and the ear, just a curved line going down, and a smaller one here. Alright, now let's draw the body. Just curved line going down and stop here. From here, curved line going down and stop. Great, and now let's draw the arm. Just one line here, and just small like that. Great, and the leg is just another line here. Great, now let's draw the other arm of the mother bear. From here, just a line going down and then stop like that. Great, one line. Beat them. And then now let's draw the other foot. Big that. And 1 circle, 2 and 3, and a big one. And then just close it here with line. Now I'm going to draw 2 hearts here. Just dot dot and line going up and down, line going up and down. Let's draw another one here. A line going up and down, a line going up and then down. And then let's add another line here to close the leg of the baby bear. There you go, all done. Now let's color.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.